we've made it to the nature trail, the Vermont Valley. Wow, amazing. And yeah, we're all set to go. We've got Camilla I 700 on for the lighter weight, about 500 grams, and we've got the 70 to 350 millimeter, and we're just waiting for the guide to get it together. We've been on the most rickety ride ever up the mountainside, but yeah, thanks to our driver we did manage to get here safely, which is quite remarkable under the circumstances. Anyway, yeah, it's wonderful scenery. It's rainforest. It's not the wet season, it's the dry season, so but it does look like we're still going to get wet. Anyway, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to Camilla and I. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to vlog, but we'll see. Anyway, I think the rest duties have stopped, so we'll be going off any minute. So I'll catch you later, guys. Well, we keep going deeper and deeper up the Vermont Trail, and yeah, very good, getting hotter and hotter, but it's not getting any less steep. Yeah, quick follow our guide round. Yes, actually somebody made this trail for us, otherwise we'd be hacking through with a machete, but no, it's brilliant. Well, we all made it to the Parrot lookout point, and indeed you can hear a few parrots in the distance, but unfortunately this is wildlife, folks. These are not parrots. These are not parrots in a cage, unfortunately, and yeah, although we have a magnificent vista behind, the visibility of the parrots in the green canopy is virtually non-existent. So yeah, nice hike up to up the Vermont Valley and to this lookout point for the parrot, but no, you'd have to be very lucky to catch one flying across in the open there. I can hear a few, so what I will do is try and hang back from the group, because we've got a few stragglers in the group, and I will try and get a parrot, hopefully in flight, going across here. But anyway, we will see. So yes, and a very elusive bird, even though it's tri-coloured, we haven't got one, which is a bit of a shame. Anyway, we've gone to the higher lookout point now. Oh, this is better. Should have come up here in the first place. Okay, yeah, look at that. Much better view down the valley. Amazing. So yeah, what an amazing spot. St Vincent, and yeah, I mean, this is what I expect when you come on a cruise, and you can't expect to get wildlife all the way. I mean, it's not like this tour group is going to wait for anybody in particular. Oh, I've just spotted another one of those black kites, a hawk in the valley. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a picture of that. But it's against the dark vegetation now, so yeah, a bit tricky. And I'm shooting one-handed, but at least it's a bird, and I did get a good picture of it in the open earlier, so great. Anyway, it's just hunting over the treetops. Don't think I'll really get a photo of it, but see if we get anything out of that. I doubt it. Anyway, yeah, that's it, folks. The St Vincent Parrot, unique to this island, needless to say, but we haven't got it on Camilla and I, unless I get it on the way down. And anyway, did see the black kite, and also did see a green hummingbird, but no idea, didn't get a photo of the green hummingbird, but no, a particularly fruitless visit for birds. But it's just like the UK, it's best not to go in the summer when all the greenery's out, because the chances of seeing a bird are pretty slim. I mean, we did come pretty close. I mean, there were definitely some squawks of parrots very close, but we didn't actually get a view. So, yeah, accessible wildlife photography, my arse. Looking at this treacherous route back. Quick, flip you around. Show it what I mean. Oh, blimey, we're falling down here. I've got the holster on. Actually got a quick, I'll show you. So we came today with the A6-700 and the 70 to 350 millimeter, and we used the Peak Designs release grip, quick release grip, and that's been very useful today. Has held the camera pretty well. But anyway, I better concentrate on what I'm doing down here, because it is pretty steep. Anyway, thanks for watching an episode of Camilla and I. Hope to see you in the next exotic adventure. God, we've gone a long way from local accessible wildlife photography. And look at the risks we take bringing you Camilla and I. We're actually on a purpose-built trail, but it's very slippery and leaves everywhere. So unless you're fit, don't come on this journey, don't come on this trail. But it is quite good. I mean, we have seen a lot of fauna and flora, so it's been well worth the trip and quite educational. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe as we hopefully bring you another episode from the West Indies next week. Okay, cheers for now. Have a good one, guys.